Today's destination is Armand Bayou. Armand Bayou is about 2,500 acre preserve located just south of Houston. It is one of the last non-channelized bayous in the Houston area. It's home to dozens of bird species, a lot of various animals, and if you look closely, maybe you'll see a crocodile. Now, if you're looking for a place to connect with nature and get away from the concrete jungle and the hustle and bustle of your day, Armand Bayou is the place to be. They have 3 different trails of various difficulty and length. All of them are easy though to walk and are pretty much wheelchair accessible as well. So take a look at this video and just see some of what nature has in store for you at Armand Bayou.